FJVPS. Assembly Instruction Viewer is a digital manufacturing tool that utilizes three-dimensional model data to support digital work instructions and work record collection at factory sites, to improve work efficiency of field workers, and to ensure manufacturing quality. Assembly Instruction Viewer displays attribute information such as assembly animations, snapshots, and precautions created by VPS MFG for each operation at the manufacturing site. The operator will work accordingly. It also records actual results such as working hours. This is the screen displayed at the work site. Attributes such as process name, operation name, parts used, and precautions are displayed on the screen together with 3D animation at any time. By using videos to instruct the assembly work in an easy-to-understand, the assembly work will be performed correctly regardless of the proficiency level of the worker. For experts, it is also possible to display only the main points in a still image. In addition to work instructions, you can record the work time taken up to that point when you move to the next screen. In addition to recording work time, it is possible to confirm the completion of work and automatically acquire the values measured for inspection by linking with tools. It is also possible to use the check sheet function in the inspection process to record inspections and to confirm operation. As you can see, FJVPS Assembly Instruction Viewer supports the startup of mass production in a short period, guarantees manufacturing quality, and strongly supports the collection of work results for Kaizen.